All right, good day everyone, and welcome to today's session. And for this session, we'll still be discussing this simultaneous equation. Now, in our previous videos, I've talked about the elimination method, the substitution method, and we saw some example under that. So for today, we want to be looking at the word problem leading to quadratic equation. Leading to simultaneous equation. And for this word problem, we're using the elimination method to solve. Now, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop question under this video. Now, if you have any question, drop a question there. I'll get back to you immediately. Now, let's share this question out. Now, we were given 4 years ago, David was 3 times as old as his daughter, Emily. Now, in 6 years, David will be only twice as old as Emily. What are their current age? Now, to solve these questions, so we're given 4 years ago, that means 4 years ago. Now, David was 3 times as old as his daughter Emily. Now, let's just say, let David be represented with D, while his daughter, so let Emily be represented with E. So anywhere I put D, that means David. Anywhere I put E, I'm referring to Emily. So 4 years ago, David is what? David is 3 times as old as his daughter. That means 4 years ago. 4 years ago from now, David will be David age minus 4. The current David age is D. We don't know the current David age. But 4 years ago, that would be David, that would be D minus 4, which is 4 years ago. 4 years ago, David is 3 times as old as his daughter. That means David is 3 multiplied by Emily 4 years ago. So 4 years ago for David is 4D minus 4, and 4 years ago for Emily, E minus 4. But 4 years ago, David is 3 times as old as Emily. That would be 3 multiplied by Emily age 4 years ago. So we can have D minus 4. So the one we expand this, it will be 3E minus 12. So if you move the constant value to the other side and move this one back here, so you have D minus 3E will be minus 12. This becomes plus 4. So you have D minus 3E to be equal to what? That will be minus 8. So you can call this equation 1. So that's from the first statement. And from the second statement, so you have the second statement. Second statement. Like in 6 years, David will be only twice as old as Emily. That means in the next 6 years from now, in the next 6 years, David will be D plus 6. Now the current age of David is D. In the next 6 years, it will be D plus the next 6 years, which is D plus 6. David will be what? Will only be twice as old as Emily. That means in the next 6 years, too, for Emily is E plus 6 for Emily. But David will be twice as old. That means David will be 2 multiplied by Emily age in the next 6 years. So from here we have D plus 6 to be 2E plus 12. So you correct the right hand here too. So you have D. So you have D minus 2E. With what? That will be, when this one moves first, it becomes minus 6. That will be 12 minus 6. It becomes 6. So you can call this equation 2. Okay, from here we have equation 1 to be D minus 3E to be equal to minus 8. And equation 2 to be D minus 2E to be equal to what? Equal to 6. So this is our equation 1. And this is equation 2. So from here, we want to find the value of D and the value of E. So for elimination method, from our previous video, so that we eliminate the D from the 2 equations, or we eliminate E from the 2 equations. So from here, let's just eliminate the D. So from here, if you have, when we subtract equation 1 and equation 2 from 1, So we have minus there. Let be D minus D. Let be 0. D is gone. So we have minus 3e minus 2e. This become plus. That will be minus 3e plus 2e. So you have minus 1e, which is just minus e. So it equals to. So you have minus 8 minus 6. That will give you minus 14. So you have minus e to be minus 14. Minus cancel minus. So you have e to be equals to what? 14. That means Emily age. Now recall that let Emily be represented with E. So that means Emily age, current age, will be 14. So now let's find David age. So from here, okay, let's just from equation 1. From equation 1, we have D minus 3E to be equals to minus 8. And we know what? Now we know E to be 14. So you have D minus 3. E is 14 to be minus 8. So you have D minus. So you have 3 by this, so you have 2. And you have 4. So that is 3 multiplied by 14. 3 by 14 will give you 42. So that minus 8. So your D will be what? Minus 8. When this one moves to the other side, become plus 42. So David A will be minus 8 plus 42. Minus 8 plus 42 will give you 34. Yeah, that will be 34. So that means David A will also be equals to 34. So now the question states, what are their current age? So their current age, let us say David, which is D, current age is 34. While Emily, which is E, current age is what? Is 14. And this will be the answer to the question.